Okay guys, in this video, this is actually going to be the last one in the Debian 13 series. This is recorded on August the 9th, 2025, before Trixie is released as the stable. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to talk first, and then I'm going to show you some commands, so make sure you stick around. This is the final step to actually take Trixie from the testing branch to the stable branch. Like I said, Trixie will be released later on today. As of the time of this recording, it has not been released yet. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This does come with a couple caveats before I get to the commands. Make sure you pay attention to what I'm about to say. It is important. Okay, so what's going to happen is once Debian is released, it's going to hit the main repository. Once that's done, it's going to propagate out to all the mirrors all around the world. And this is why it's important to listen to what I'm telling you. We need to wait between 36 and 48 hours after Trixie has been announced today to be released. And then after that 36 to 48 hours, then you can do the commands I'm about to show you. This allows for propagation to completely go all across the board, all around the world. So it doesn't matter where you're watching from if Trixie has not been released yet, or if you're watching this on August 9th, 2025, make sure you follow these instructions. That way we don't end up breaking your Trixie installation. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and run through this on my machine. This is my main computer. I'm going to run through it now. It shouldn't do anything because Trixie has not been released yet. So I'm going to demonstrate it. But again, after it's released, make sure you wait that 36 to 48 hours. Then you can go ahead and run this. You're fine running without these commands until that 48-hour period is up. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do is we need to update our repository. So it's sudo apt update. It's simple enough. We'll put in our password. And we're going to let this run. Okay, we're going to ignore those warnings. Those are just complaining about the signatures on Steam and on Lutris for gaming. Those will be repaired by the vendors before those actually expire in a year. So we're going to ignore those warnings. So the next thing we want to do, I'm going to clear the screen, and this is going to be a sudo apt full-upgrade. Make sure you do the full-upgrade, not just a regular upgrade, because we're synchronizing Trixie from testing to Trixie as stable. And that's why we have to wait for that 36 to 48 hours, let everything propagate across. So we'll go ahead and run that. It's going to do its thing. If it finds any additional packages that it needs to update, or if it finds anything else that it needs to synchronize between Trixie as testing and Trixie as stable, it will go ahead and do so right here. Since we're already synchronized, we're fully good to go. Trixie hasn't been released yet, so there's not going to be any differences here. After you're done with that, we're going to do a sudo apt auto remove space -- purge. What this is going to do is it's going to go ahead and get rid of, first of all, you have to learn how to spell sudo, excuse me. What that's going to do is it's going to clean up after itself. It's going to get rid of any packages that are lingering that are no longer needed. They've already been replaced. Again, this is just a cleanup measure. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is go ahead and reboot. No matter what, just reboot. Even if nothing came back, reboot anyway. I'm going to skip that step for the sake of the video. But at this moment in time, I would reboot, even though nothing happened. So after you reboot, you want to do an lsb_release-a. What that's going to do is it's going to come back and it's going to tell you that you're on Debian Trixie, codename Trixie, and it should be fully set like this. It might even say stable in there. The next thing you can do to also verify that is we're going to cat etc os-release, and that will also tell you the same thing. And again, it should also say that it's stable. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. And we will see you in the next one.